Kasih. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna share my book response, journal book response. There are 10 questions and also summary. So the first question is, what is the article about? The article discusses ethnomophobia, which is the practice of consuming insects, and ethnomotherapeutic practice among communities in the mountainous region of the southeast Guangxi Autonomous Region, China. It focuses on the types of insect consumed and their cultural and medicinal significance. The next is who conducted the study and who were involved. The study was conducted by researchers in the field of ethnobiology and ethnomedicine. The participants were local communities and living in the mountainous areas of Guangxi who have long practiced insect consumption as a part of their daily lives and traditional knowledge. Next is when was the article published? The article was published in 2024 in the Journal of Ethnobiology and Ethnomedicine. And where does the study take place? The research was conducted in the mountain territory of Southeast Guangxi Autonomous Region, China, an area known for its rich biodiversity and strong preservation of traditional practice. Next question is, why is this study important? This study important because it documents traditional food practice that are often misunderstood or stigmatized. It shows that eating insect in China is not a random or extreme habit, but a culturally meaningful, nutritionally valuable, and environmentally sustainable practice. This research also contributes to discussion of global food security and sustainable protein sources. Next is, how was the research conducted? The research used qualitative ethnobiological methods, including interviews, observation, and documentation of local knowledge. They recorded various insect species consumed, preparation methods, and medicinal use passed down through generations. Next is, how does this article change your perspective on Chinese food culture? The article changed the perspective by showing that consuming insects is not about eating everything, but about cultural adaptation and wisdom. It highlights how food choices are shaped by environment, tradition, and health belief. And health beliefs. Next is, do you think ethnophagi can be accepted globally? Why? If you say yes, why, and not, it's also why. Yes, my answer is yes. Ethnopagy has the potential to be accepted globally, especially as people become more aware of environmental sustainability and alternative protein sources. However, cultural barriers and perception of disgust may slow its acceptance. Next is, what can other cultures learn from this practice? Other cultures can learn about sustainability, respect for nature, and efficient use of local research. The practice demonstrates how traditional knowledge can offer solutions to modern problems such as food shortage. The last question is, do you agree that insects should be considered a normal food source? Can I explain? Yes, insects should be considered a normal food source because they are nutrition, environmentally friendly, and culturally significant in many societies. The idea of normal food is largely shaped by culture. So the summary is, the article Ethnophobia and Ethnomotherapeutic Practice in Mountainous Territory in Southeast Guangxi Autonomous Region, China examines that culture practice of consuming insect among local communities in China using ethnobiological method. The researchers documented more than 50 species of edible insects, including grasshoppers, beetle larvae, silkworm, pupae, wasps, ants, and scorpions. That the study reveals that insects are not only consumed as a food but are also used for medical. purpose in traditional healing practice. These customs are passed down through generation and are deeply connected to local identity, environmental addition, and traditional knowledge system. The article concludes that ethnophagy in China is culturally meaningful practice that supports nutrition needs, health, and sustainability, rather than being viewed as an extreme or unusual habit. Insect consumption should be understood as a valuable form of traditional ecological knowledge with potential relevance to global food security. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.